up on high. All there is truth, there are no lies, no lies. Read the teachings of the sages, passed down through the ages. Written construct, oral wisdom, don't take one without the system. Meet the fathers and the mother. She gave her garments to her daughter. Behold the worlds in all their glory. Watch how God tells us His story. See the universe through uplift mission. Wisdom, understanding, knowledge, create insight. 7 fallen kings, the letters we're tagging. Open your eyes, you will see the foundation of my mind, setting me free, set me free. Tree of life is up on high. All there is truth, there are no lies. I'm exactly where I need to be. I know you are guiding me. Show me where I need to go. Tell me all I need to know. Soul is ready, open wide, not clinging to the other side. Burning bush here on the ground, forever where my soul felt bound. Sinners don't have to sin. Find the divine that lives within. Rectify, reignite, shine the brightest divine light. Projected outward to the earth, helping humanity through rebirth. Banish evil from our hearts, collectively we play our parts. Open your eyes, you will see this foundation of my mind, guiding me. Tree of life is up on high. All there is truth, no compromise. See the universe through uplift mission. Wisdom, understanding, knowledge, create insight. The burning bush still on the ground, where my soul is forever bound.